Hello, I am Ashley Kulikowski, the founder of Fearless Movement and also Rowan College of South Jersey alumni. I'm so excited today to talk with Jackie Sandro-Greenwell about a project that she's doing along with Clay College through Rowan College. Hello, Jackie, how are you?
Hi, Ashley. We're doing good.
So could you tell us a little bit about Clay College and what your latest project is with Clay College?
Okay, well, Clay College is a satellite campus of RCSJ, and we're located at 321 High Street in Millville in the Arts and Innovation Center. All the fine arts is in that building. Normally, we have kids' classes on Saturdays, and then in the summertime, we have a robust offering of kids' camps and such. Well, of course, this year we couldn't do that, so we decided to take our show online via Facebook, and we have a virtual kids camp there that is really just a series of how-to videos, and they're very short videos, and the classes are free, and you buy your own supplies. We're using our really great instructors from Clay College and from RCSJ. Including myself, which is a little goofy, but kind of fun.
Oh, not goofy at all. That's awesome.
So you'll see this guy.
So cute.
It's a really nice offering of activities for your child and for you for the summer.
Yes. I feel like not even just children, but their family members can join in too.
Oh, yeah. And some of the projects definitely need an adult assist or a teen assist, but I think they're age appropriate for, like I said, 5 to 85, really.
Now, do you know the projects that are coming up?
Sure. We're going to use self-hardening clay, and that's fun with fossils. You're going to run around your yard, hopefully go outside and press some clay into, the tree or branch or leaves, and make your own fossils and then paint those. And it's fun. It's messy. You can do it outside.
I'm already starting to think of families who will absolutely love this, and the children that I have in mind who love fossils, who love really just getting out in nature, being able to put art and nature together is something so cool.
Yeah, the projects are not limited to clay. We have a pointillism project, which is paint, like acrylic paint, graph paint, watercolor, which if you have paints at home, you can use those. And Q-tips, that's really the two supplies you need. And then we have a mandala project, which again, crayons, markers, paints, paper, really. And that's all you need. So you may not even have to buy some of the supplies. And the paper mache is recycled paper. The person teaching it says you can use your old school notebooks, which some kids might really want to do that. I know I was never a fan of math, so I would use that one to recycle the paper. And paper mache is really just flour and water. So it's really all about being at home and using things that you have readily available in-house.
A lot of the supplies seem like you either have them at home or they're easy to get and they're not expensive. And I think that's a great thing because anyone is able to purchase these supplies.
Right. There's also going to be a virtual kids gallery that I didn't tell you about. So if you do the projects, make sure you take pictures of your projects that you create, and then we're going to post them on a virtual kids camp gallery. And you could win your own art supplies. So we're going to have a little contest.
I know when I was growing up in art class, we would have like galleries for our families to come and see, but unfortunately they're home right now. So therefore they couldn't have that for their families. So that's perfect because now their entire family can see the art that they've created virtually.
Yeah, so probably at the end of the series. The series will go through to August, so I'm really excited about that to see what everybody comes up with.
Yeah, so everyone who is watching right now, they just heard it. It's free. All you have to do is register. And can you share with us again that link that they can register at?
Yeah, it's Clay College at RCSJ.
It's so simple and very easy to register, and all they have to do is get the supplies and they can have fun with you and all of the artists that are joining you for this.
It's fun working with Clay. We say Clay is the way. Get your parents and friends to join in as well.
Thank you so much for joining us. We're so excited to see everyone sign up. I know I'm going to be sharing this with my community for all of them to sign up as well. So you just heard it. Visit that link, the Facebook page, and the event. It's absolutely free. All you have to do is register. Thank you so much, Jackie, for joining us.
Thanks, Ashley. Take care.
You too.
Happy creating.
Play is the way.
That's right. Play is the way.
Yeah, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.